Need to send USD to Nigeria? Worldremit simplifies the process. Start by visiting the Worldremit website or using their app. Create an account or log into your existing profile. From the main dashboard, select Send Money, then specify Nigeria as your recipient country. Choose USD as your sending currency and enter the desired amount. You'll see the current exchange rate and the estimated amount in Nigerian naira. Select your recipient's preferred delivery method from bank transfer, mobile money, or cash pickup. If you are sending directly to a bank account, you will need the recipient's bank name and account details. If you want to send to a mobile money account, provide recipient's mobile money provider and their number. If you select cash pickup, you'll most likely need their registered name and phone number. Review the fees associated with the transaction, which are clearly displayed, and select your payment method. Review all details, including the amount, exchange rate, recipient information, and fees, before confirming. Receive notifications when the transfer is initiated and completed. Sending USD to Nigeria is easy.